doing really well. Like I don't have like the pain anymore, like the lower back pain that I was having there for a while. Like it'll come once in a while, but overall, like everything seems to be really good. And I just sent a picture too. I don't know if you guys got the email, but I did just send like a day 6 image of like a psoriasis patch versus my day this morning. And it's like significantly better. I mean, my husband has been telling me that it's getting better, but like to have that picture, I was pretty stunned. So
my energy is more steady than it's ever been. I don't have the ups and downs. My mood has gotten better. I'm pretty steady, which I'm not the crazy person I used to be, I guess. What else? My joints are better. Everything is better. Lower back is good. I've lost at least 10 pounds and I've gone down 2 pant sizes. So I actually had to go shopping and get new shirts, new pants, everything, because nothing was fitting for work, which is awesome. And what else? I'm trying to think. Just overall, like just skin is just getting better. I know that I still have a lot more work to put in, but getting better. The biggies for me are my energy and my mood is getting better. I mean, definitely at the start of the program, I was very, very moody, and it was more like a depression kind of like, oh God, like starting this new plan, this new eating, and what am I going to do? And what does the future look like? Right. So now it's gotten better. It's gotten easier. I've learned a lot. Very good program. I'm very happy that I did it and went through it. And
forward to hearing from you when you get to your full recovery. So I'm going to be waiting. Okay.
Yay.